Hello everyone, welcome to Minute FX. Nice having you back. Today I want to talk about how to identify market structure shift. So I'll identify how to mark market structure shift and how to know when market structure shift had occurred. So I want you to watch the video to the end, and I would like you to click the thumb up button, also click the notification bell, and also drop a comment in the comment section if the video, answer some of your questions. All right. So I will leave you to do the like or to click the like button when the intro take place. You're welcome back. So before we proceed, I would love you to also join our Telegram channel if chance avail you. The link will be in the description below. All right. Try to join our Telegram channel. All right, so let's go into the class of today. All right, so let me make a sketch. I've talked about structure. Structure is in the video on this YouTube. All right, before you can know structure shift, you need to understand how structure works. So I will try as much as possible to explain structure here a little bit with sketch. All right, so let's say we have a bullish structure. Also, we have a bearish structure, but let's use bullish scenario for an example. All right, so let's go. So I will try and make it a little bit rough, make it, a bit practical. So this is the bullish scenario of how market look like a chart, a line chart. All right. So first, to confirm a high, I've already told you inducement has to be taken, which was taken here. Now this becomes a valid high. Now to confirm a low, a valid high, which is this one to be taken. So this low becomes valid. Then this high becomes valid. And this valid high was taken, then this low structure. So you need to be able to mark structure before you can tell what market structure shifts look like. All right. For this, structure has been good structure. For us to have a market structure shift, this particular structural low, this one here, had to be taken out. You see, most persons will see this low, this low now, they say, this has been taken out, then it's market structure shift. This is a daily time frame, for instance. This is not a market structure shift. This is just an inducement taken out. All right. So price will come back and take this place out. Price will just come down, come to a particular level here and still take you out. All right. So the most important thing, this was just inducement taking, validating this high as a valid high. So if this is what is happening, then structure is still valid as bullish. But if closing below it, then the structure has shifted. So this is what they call market structure shift. When the structural low or a structural high, for a market structure shift to happen, the structural low had to be taken. So that's a market structure shift on this particular time frame. So this is just a basic concept on market structure shift for time frame. All right. For instance, let's go a little bit, into a practical level. For us to have a market structure shift, this is still bullish. All right, on lower time frame. Lower time frame will print something different, and I'll show you on the live chat how that happened. But I want to just show you a sketch example of how a market structure shift occur. All right, so this is for bullish scenario. So let's go for bearish scenario. Let's say price was doing this, the same kind of sketch. Here. All right, so what happened here is that inducement was also taken here. This was inducement around here. I think I've explained the concept of inducement before, so you can watch the video. If I check my video playlist and it's not there, I'm going to make a video for you on how to understand the inducement. All right, so this is it. Now, this becomes a valid high because the valid low has been taken. All right, which is this. So this is a valid low because inducement was taken. Price went down. So we have another valid low here because inducement was taken here. So this is a valid low. And then we have this as a valid high because that valid low has been taken. So it's just as simple as that. All right. So this is also inducement taken. We have this as a valid low. And this becomes a valid high. Now, let me explain something here because most people confuse themselves around here. Now, notice that as this was called valid high, if price didn't give us something like this, all right, if price never gave us something like that, price will come back and probably clear this. As since you now see price went above here and you say, okay, now we have a market structure shift to the upside. No, we don't have it yet. This was just taken as an inducement. So the tendencies are price will play this and then come back and still stop you out around here because it was still trying to make a statement of clearing inducement. So it's just as basic, all right? But if price did not give that, what I'll be targeting is this high to be taken out, all right? Price out, all right? So this becomes a market taking here. But on this leg here, there was no inducement to be taken, all right? No inducement to be taken. So this place will double as inducement, basically. So inducement was taken here. Price still went up and then closed above this high. So we have a market structure shift on this time frame. So this is just the basic sketch of how a market structure shift looks like, right? So let's go to the chart. Let's see what we have on the chart. All right. So this is daily time frame. Now, first, you need to know where your structural high is and your structural low. So this is my structural low here. And this is my structural high here. Now, so this doubles as my range low and my range high, structural low. Now, for instance, you might not understand why I mark it like that. This was where inducement was taken around here, validating this place as a high. So I just explained that to you so that you can see for where inducement will be taken next, but inducement was not taken somewhere else except here. So inducement was now taken here again. So these are range high and our range low. So this is a new high and this is a low because it took out this valid high. As simple as it gets. So that's that. So now currently our structure is like this. And most persons will have said this is a market structure shift. No, not yet. Market structure shift will occur until close below it, not wick it out. If the candle that went below this close below it, if the candle that went below it just wick it out and then continue, the structure has not been validated yet. So the structure is still very much intact. It needs to have a sweep below our previous structure. So liquidity is just getting captured. So now, but if price close below it, then we have a good and valid market structure shift. That's that. So for now on daily, we don't have the market structure shift yet. So let me just leave it at that. But because this is daily structure range, we can go on lower time frame and see if we have a market structure shift on lower time frame. So let's go first to H4 to see that. Now, what you want to see on H4 is that a valid low is taken, all right? And inducement is also taken back to the upside. Now, let me show you something. The last place inducement was taken was here. I want to show you so that you can see clearly. So that's why I'm zooming in so that you can see very, very clearly. So this was the last retracement move. Price went below it. See that price went below it. It might not be too much, but price had gone below it. See it here. So the candle went below it. You see? So the candle went below it. And then that is inducement has been taken. Easy. So you don't need price to close below it. So that's where my last low was. So price going below this low is what I call market structure shift. All right. Now, some persons will be asking me, why not this place? Okay, so let me show you why it's not that place. The reason why it's not this place is because I was anticipating that price will close above here. If price actually closed above this high, which price didn't do, all right? If price had actually closed above this place, you see that it was a weak out, I would have considered this place as that low, but price didn't do that, so my low still remains around here. So that's why. So I'm answering your questions together. All right. So this is what we have currently. So these are market structure shift around here because the structural law has been taken. Now, where's our inducement? So yeah. So because this structure, now where will our low be? All right. So where was the last place we have? All right. So this was our last. I'm looking for the inducement. Come first. So let's zoom in very well. All right. All right. So we have this. We have this place as a last inducement. Let me just mark this. You can mark this or mark this basically. All right. So, but this place is an internal liquidity. So I prefer to mark this as my inducement. All right. So now I have internal liquidity somewhere around here. Okay. So a lot is happening. All right. So this is how this place becomes a valid based on H4. So because structural law has been taken here, we have a market structure shift around here. We have MSS, market structure, sorry, MSS, market structure shift there. So we have market structure shift around there. So this market structure shift is coming back into our area of entry. All right. So it's as simple as that. So price is now coming back to your order block basically. So price has come back to your order block. I think I'll give you clarification on how this asset work. So we also now, because this has been a long retracement leg, if you go on M30, you will see, you need to see a market structure shift around this zone also. You need to see a market structure shift around this zone before you take it. So let's go to M30. Let's see the anticipated market structure shift before we can sell. All right. So you check for when last inducement was taken. All right. So see this inducement was taken around here. So inducement was taken around here. All right. So inducement was taken around here, which validate this place as a low now, and then we have this place as a high because inducement has been taken. So this place is now a high. So price has cleared the high, so this place becomes a low. What you anticipate here is that price should come for a market structure shift to happen. Price should come down and clear this low. All right. When price clear this low, it should come and retest, and then you can do whatever you want. All right. But then this outer low on M30 had to be taken for us to have an MSS. If this low is not taken, we can have a change of character, we can have any other thing. But this low, this structural low, how a market structural shift. All right. So that's just how it is. So I believe you understand it. If you don't understand, you can drop your comment in the comment section. But I just wanted to clarify and give you examples of market structure shift. Basically, the structural low getting taken out or getting violated is market structure shift, not any other thing. But before you can understand that, you need to know what structure is. So probably I will put the link to the structure video in the description below so that you can have access to it. But don't forget, subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also click the notification bell so that you can get notified when videos like this drop. Thank you for joining us. Have a wonderful trading week.